Hey, what's up you guys? It's Katharine and welcome to another video. I want to show you what's in my rock climbing bag. So, this is a Patagonia bag I got on sale a while ago from, I don't remember, maybe Backcountry or something like that. And it's little fish patterns. On the outside, there are little spots for gear, things like this. There's two straps in the back that will, you know, hold up. Oh, here it is. And so you can hook them together around your waist or whatever if you're like walking around with it. And then more spaces for, I don't really know what you put in those. More spots on both sides, yeah. I don't know, they just look to me like decoration, but I guess you could put like carabiners or something through them. And it has a double latch right here, and then the top portion has a zipper for some smaller items. Oh, that was from the patch, the adhesive from the patch. So there's a zipper in here, and then you can just put random stuff in there, and that zips shut, and it keeps it kind of out of the bag, so it's easier to find. And the first thing I have is my harness. So I have a Petzl Harness, and I don't remember the name of this thing, but it is, oh, Selena, there she is. So cute. It is gray, it's like a heather gray with these like sort of mint teal sort of details. And why I liked this thing was because it has these removable clips here, so that you don't have to take your pants, or you don't have to take this off whenever you take your pants off. And that is my Stone Summit lead climbing tag. So I'm lead certified at Stone Summit, which is where we're going to climb today. The bag actually has a cinch strap here, extra closure or whatever. Okay, the next is my shoes. This is my fifth pair of climbing shoes. I love these. They are slip-ons, actually. They're slip-ons, but they do have a Z closure. These are Scarpa brand, and so far I love these. I do like Scarpa. They're kind of like moderate. I don't know if you know anything about climbing, then you would know what moderate means. So they're not flat and they're not like super aggressive. I've had a more aggressive pair from Sportiva, which I was obsessed with, but they blew out. I blew out the toe. So these, I haven't really worn these obviously since I think I was climbing outside in January or February, I can't remember. The green matches my harness. Okay, next I have a big carabiner that my belay thing should be attached to. Where is it? Okay, here it is. So this is literally, it came with like my first harness. This is my second harness that I've had, just because I wanted something a little bit nicer. So my first harness came with a chalk bag, I think, and then this belay thing. But it seems to be doing okay still. The next thing in here, in the back part over here, is Fillet Glasses. So someone gave me these as a gift. Actually, I think I have two, because I've had two people give me them. I don't know why, but so basically they have these weird prism things so that you don't have to crane your neck to look up, and so that you can see who you're belaying without actually like looking up. You just like look straight into the lenses. So you look, hold on. So you wear it right on the bridge of your nose, and you just look into the prisms, and you can see what's above you. So you can see like a little bit my plant, which is right here, through the glasses. Okay, I'll demonstrate for you what these look like. How weird is that? You can see my eye. Because I can see you right now. How weird is that? The next thing that's in here is a chalk bag, and maybe you'll notice a theme. This is a Cavu Chalk Bag, and it matches again my harness, but I actually got this before I got the shoes and the harness. But I just love these colors. Obby. And then there's a little carabiner it's branded Stone Summit Climbing, that will tuck on or hook on to the back of my harness right here, so that I can just reach in behind me when I'm climbing and go up on the walls. And then I have another chalk bag here. This is an organic chalk bag. So apparently they use different material from other brands, and then they create their own. Here, I'll show you how it opens. So it just unhooks like this, and then you can unroll it. And then it has a Velcro attachment there. And then back here, I think I have some goodies back here. This is for bouldering, and so I like to take like the larger bucket with me, like on the bouldering wall. And this little spot here is for like a smaller brush. And then I have some liquid chalk, secret stuff, which I don't love this. And then I have a brush too. So I got both of these when I was in Vermont climbing. I was there for like a month, so I got them from like a local shop up there. And then I think this is a branded pen. Yeah, La Sportiva. At the bottom of the bag, I'm trying to be careful with this because I'm already getting chalk on my pants. And these are not even the pants I'm planning on climbing in later. So this is a pack of Black Diamond. It's the white gold chalk, and it just has the Black Diamond logo on it. So white gold. And so it's a much finer grit of chalk. I usually keep like nail clippers and things like that in this pocket. And I do. I have them. Okay. This little tiny travel kit. So it has 2 different size nail clippers, nail file, tweezers, and like another little nail tool. But this is so perfect because I always forget to like cut my nails whenever I'm about to go climb. And so I just can cut them when I get there over the trash can. I'm not going to show you, but I also have like feminine products in here, which is actually really great that I have those. I didn't realize that those were in there. But how cool is this? So this pocket goes down here, but it also goes all the way up here. So you have a huge amount of space in this pocket. And then lastly, I have some climbing tape. Typically, I also have Climb On, which is like a beeswax balm, but I don't know where that is right now. I don't know if it's in here. Maybe it's in my other bag, but that's everything that's in my climbing bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to be notified for when we sporadically post. And if you have any questions about climbing or gear, be sure to leave those down below. I will try my best to answer them, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!